Hi students, this lesson is about reading with phrasing and decoding words with AL, EL, and LE word endings. We'll be reading Fluency Passage 9.11, the Science Fair. What is phrasing? Phrasing is using word groups and punctuation to know when to pause. When good readers read aloud, they group words together and pause naturally between phrases. When you pause, you allow listeners to better understand how the thoughts and phrases are grouped together in the text. Group the words together and pause at punctuation marks to make your reading sound natural. Try not to use a robot voice. Here's an example. Lynn and Marcus were paired up to work on a science fair project together. Neither one was happy about it. Mr. Patel, their teacher, wanted his students to work with someone they hadn't worked with yet. Did you notice the natural pauses at punctuation marks and where phrases go together? Now let's listen to Fluency Passage 9.11, the Science Fair. Lynn and Marcus were paired up to work on a science fair project together. Neither one was happy about it. Mr. Patel, their teacher, wanted his students to work with someone they hadn't worked with yet. Lynn wanted to work with Jen. Marcus didn't want to work with anyone. After making the partner assignments, Mr. Patel gave the class time to meet and plan their science fair topics. Lynn and Marcus sat quietly for a while. Lynn drew a doodle while Marcus stared out the window. Finally, Lynn broke the silence because she did not want to get a bad grade. Although she was not happy with her new partner, she knew she had to do the project one way or another. "What do you want to do for our project?" she asked. "I'd like to study the environment," Marcus replied. "I was thinking we could do an experiment to see how acid rain affects plants." Lynn was shocked. She had expected some simple answer, but he sounded really intelligent. Lynn felt bad that she had assumed working with Marcus would be a battle and that he wouldn't be an able partner. "That sounds interesting," Lynn replied. "Let's try it." Lynn and Marcus worked well together and shared the work. Marcus liked doing the experiment, so he led the way on that. Lynn was more creative, so she designed the display and a model of their experiment. She was also more comfortable doing presentations and helped guide Marcus through his part of it. On the day of the science fair, after Lynn and Marcus presented their results, Mr. Patel approached them. "On a scale of 1 to 5, he announced, "I'm giving you a 5. How was my phrasing? Skip the video back and practice reading along with me. As I read, I noticed quite a few words using final stable syllables, spelled AL, EL, and LE. Each of the final syllables includes the same vowel plus L sound, despite the different vowels used in the spellings. This vowel sound is called a schwa. It is neither short nor long and sounds the same. Just like in these three words. Look at the different spellings, AL, EL, and LE, and now listen to the words. Central, novel, puzzle. They all have a sound, even though they're spelled AL, EL, or LE. Now let's look at the words with AL, EL, LE, and practice decoding them from the passage, The Science Fair. Patel, while, doodle. Simple, battle, able. Can you find more examples of AL, EL, LE words in this text? Pause the video and look. Now it's your turn to practice. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a sample of the passage. Practice reading it several times, then make a recording for your teacher. Have fun reading!